We will start with exercise 6.1. Now, this is known as factors of quadratic trinomial. We are going to learn how to find the factors of a quadratic trinomial. Okay. Now, my first term is always positive. Then I have my middle term, I have my last term, and I have the factors. Now, in all cases, my first term is positive. I will teach you one by one how to do these factors. Okay. Now, first term is always plus. This is my, okay. Now, my middle term, it can be plus, it can be minus, it can be plus, or it can be minus. There are 4 possibilities. My last term, it can be plus. When this is minus, this term can be plus. When this term is plus, this term can be minus. And when this term is minus, this term can also be minus, right? Now, please remember, when my last term is plus, I must add to get the middle term. Okay, when it is plus, I'll explain to you. I have to add to get the middle term. And when my last term is minus, I have to subtract to get the middle term. Okay. Today we will do when the last term is plus and the last term is, middle term is plus and the last term is plus, or when the middle term is minus and the last term is plus. Okay. Now let me explain this to you. I'll teach you how to find the factors. Okay. Now, see my first question that I am going to teach you. Okay, see my first question that I am going to teach you. Some sums are from 6.1, but some I have made my own questions, right? 6.1, but some I made my own questions, right? Now, my first sum that I am going to teach you is x square plus 9x plus 18. Okay, now pay attention. What is my last term? My last term is 18. Correct? So now if you see carefully, middle term is plus. I told you first term not to bother. It always has to be plus. Okay? Middle term is plus and my last term is plus. Right? Now I told you I have to add to get the middle term. Right? What is the meaning of factors? My 18, I can say it is 1 18s. Now when I add 1 plus 18, am I getting 9? I have to get 9. Am I getting 9? 1 plus 18. 1 plus 18 is 19. I will not get 9. Then I will say the next table. 2 9s are 18. 2 plus 9. Am I getting 9? No. Then 3 6 are 18. Add 3 plus 6. Am I getting 9? Yes, I am getting 9. So my factors are 3 and 6. Now you look at the middle side. My middle term is plus. So my factors both will get the plus and the plus sign. Both will get the plus and the plus sign. Okay. So this will also get the plus sign. This will also get the plus sign. So I will get x square plus 3x plus 6x plus 18. I'll get this, right? Now I have to take these two terms together and these two terms together, correct? What can I remove common? I explained to you, x square plus 3x, okay? If you still don't understand, x square, x into x, 3x, 3 into x. So I remove x common. What is left behind? X plus 3. Now you must know to do it. That's why I sent you that first video. Correct? Now see the next one. 6x. Okay, you can write 3 twos, but then I am also having 18. So 6 into 3. So similarly here 6 into x. 6 is common. I have x plus 3. X plus 3. Right? X plus 3. So what are my factors? My factors are, this is x plus x into. So can I remove x plus 3 common? Okay, from here, what is left behind here? X plus 6. X plus 6. Is that clear? I'll do one more simple sum of this type and then I will do a little difficult question. Okay, m square plus 12m plus 35. 12m plus 35. Okay, let's pay attention how we are going to get these factors. Okay, now look at this. This is my 35, correct? Now, tables of 35, it is plus, so I must add to get the middle term. 1 and 35. What is my middle term? This is my middle term. Plus 12 is my middle term, correct? 1, 2 doesn't go, 3 doesn't go, 4 doesn't go. Next number to go is 5. So 5 and 7. Add 5 plus 7. Do you get 12? Yes. Now look at my table. Look at my table. Okay. Now look at this. Plus and plus. So my factors are plus and plus. My factors are plus and plus. Okay. So I'll put plus for 5 and I'll put plus for 7. Okay. Now I have to write the correct alphabet. M square plus 5m plus 7m plus 35. Now I will remove m common. I am left with m plus 5. Now I am not showing you that breakup. Now you have to learn to be careful and remove it. Now from both these, what can I remove common? I can remove 7 common. 7 into m. M is left behind. 7 into 5. 5 is left behind. Now see, isn't this bracket and this bracket matching? So my factors are m plus 5 and m plus 7. So this is plus and plus. Now one more sum I will do of this type. Then you will understand it very carefully. Y square plus 24y plus 144. 24y plus 144. Now let's see, what have I to split? I have to split 144. Let me use another color pen. Okay, otherwise you'll get confused. Okay, there's too much on this page, right? Okay, so I'm going to split 144. Can you see it? Now, tables of 144. 1 and 144, no use. 2 and 72. 2 plus 72, I need 24. No. 3 and 48. 3 48s are 144. Again, not possible. Correct. 4. 4 2s are, 4 3s are 12. 4 6 are 24. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. Okay, can you see this? Okay, 5 doesn't go, 6 goes. 6. 6 1s are 6, 7, 8, and 6 2s are 12. 4s are 24. Not possible. Correct? Now let's see 8. So all these are not possible, so I'll rub it out. Correct? All these are not possible. Okay, I don't want to clutter this page. So I have 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 eights are 64. Add 18, 28, 26. Not yet 24. Correct? Does 9 go? Does 9 go? 9 ones are 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. 9, 6 are 54. 16 and 9. Add 16 plus 9, 25. Not yet. 10 doesn't go, 11 doesn't go. Next table, 12 and 12. 12 plus 12 gives me 24. Is that clear? So, again, look at this and we'll conclude. Plus and plus, my factors are plus plus. Okay? So, right? So, this is plus and plus. Y square plus 12y plus 12y plus 144. What can I remove common? I'll rub this out. Okay, I don't need this. This is factors. I just don't want to confuse you. Right? Okay. So, can I remove y common? What is left behind? Y plus 12. Plus 12 common. Y plus 12. What are my factors? So these are my factors. Is that clear? Is it very clear how I did this? So this is when, now see here. I'm doing all the different types, right? This is when the middle term is plus and the last term is also plus. My factors are plus and plus. Okay, now when my middle term is plus and my last term, middle term is minus and my last term is plus. Because it is plus, I have to add to get the middle term. That is for sure. But my factors will be both minus and minus. Both minus and minus. Okay. So, you revise this one. So, we finished this type. First type we finished. Now, we are going to do the second type. Okay. In the next class, we will do the third and the fourth type. Okay. Now, let's see the sum number 4. When the middle term is minus and the last term is plus. So, x square minus 10x plus 9. Now, my last term is 9 with the plus sign. So, my middle term is how much? Minus 10. So, what must I do to get minus 10? I must add the tables of 9. Come on. 9 ones are. 9 plus 1 gives me 10. Now, I look at the sign. The sign is minus and plus. So, look at my table. Minus and plus. So, my factor is minus and minus. So, both I will give minus minus 2. You have to learn that table. Okay. So, this becomes x square minus 9x minus 1x plus 9. Plus 9. Now, what can I remove common? Okay, I can remove x common, x minus 9. Now, from both these, now pay very careful attention. Nothing else I can remove common, but I have to remove minus and I have to remove 1. Whenever I remove the negative sign, this is negative, it becomes positive. This is positive, it will become negative. Both the signs in the bracket, they actually become ulta. This is minus, it becomes plus. This is plus, it becomes minus. I am left with x minus 9 because 1 into x, see if you are not clear about this, 1 into x, 1 multiplied by x and 9. 1 multiplied by 9. So, only thing which is common is 1. Of course, this minus sign also I have to remove common. I don't like to see that minus sign. So, I am left with x. This is plus, it became minus and I am left with 9. Correct? So, what are my factors? What are my factors? My factors are x minus 9 into x minus 1. Okay? X minus 1. right? Now we will do another sum of this type, There are no examples in the textbook, so I'll give you my own. So this is x square minus 10x plus 21. Again, you look at your last sum. It is positive and 21 minus 10. So what are my tables? 1, 21. 2 doesn't go. You add 1 plus 21. Are you getting 10? No. 3 sevens are 21. When I add 3 plus 7, I'm getting 10. 3 plus 7, I'm getting 10. अभी इसको माइनस देखो, ये माइनस है तो दोनों माइनस हो जाता है. You remember your factors, right? Think of it, minus and plus, so both will be minus minus. This first term actually we don't have to worry about only. We don't have to worry because first term always is positive. So I never draw this table actually. I never draw this part of the table. I am only concerned with the middle term and the factors. Okay, so now see here. So now what will it be? X square minus 3x minus 7x plus 21. Now removing common. Look at this. Look at this. Here I remove x common. I am left with x minus 3. Okay. Now always remember there is this minus sign. Remove minus sign common first. Always remove minus sign. 7 into x. So 7x, 7 into x. 21, 7 into 3. So 7 I am removing common with the negative sign. So 7 I am removing common. Okay, what is left behind first? X. I told you I removed minus. So this is plus, it will become minus. Correct? X minus, what is left behind? 3. So x minus 3. Correct? So what are my factors? My factors are x minus 3 and x minus 7. Correct? Now the last sum of this type I will do. Okay, I will say p square minus 14p plus 24. 14p plus 24. Did I do a sum of this type? No. So now I have to do 24. I have to add. Correct. So 2 124s are and 2 12s are. Correct. So I will put minus 2 minus 12. P square minus 2p minus 12p. You understood how I did this? Plus 24. Now, what can I remove common? P minus 2 minus 12. 12 2s are 20. This is minus, it became plus. This is plus. Please remember, I will make it minus. That's very important. 2. Right? So my factors are p minus 2 and p minus 12. So at the end of this video, I have come to this. Okay, see very carefully. My middle term is plus and my last term is plus. I am adding to get the middle term, but my factors are plus and plus. My last term is minus and my last term is plus and my middle term is minus. My factors are minus minus, but I have to add to get the middle term. Next time I will show you both these factors. Thank you.